Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my top favorite secondhand purchases that I've made, and these come from consignment or other sites like eBay and Poshmark. And in general, if I do have any other videos on my channel already on these pieces, I will link them down below so you can have a little bit more information on them. If I don't have a video on them and you would like me to make something, definitely let me know and I'll try my best to do a video. So in general, I absolutely love looking on the secondhand market for bags and SLGs because you can really find some amazing gems sometimes, and also usually for a really good deal. Of course, also just for current items as well. Sometimes you can even find these in like brand new condition and have an additional savings on those as well. So I always recommend looking on the secondhand market if you are in the market for a bag. Of course, sometimes if it is a very popular item, you'll actually find that you have to pay a premium on those. So I really dislike that, but oftentimes it's because they're always sold out and that sort of thing. So first is actually this Lidlo wallet from Louis Vuitton. It's actually my latest wallet that I've purchased, and I do have a video on this on my channel. This was purchased off of eBay from a Japanese seller, and it's just been the perfect compact wallet for me. It fits everything that I need for a day-to-day basis. And on top of that, even though it's over 17 years old, I find that the canvas and the leather is really in pristine condition. It didn't come with anything, but that was okay with me. And after tax and shipping and all of that, it came out to about $250 Canadian, which is cheaper than any current Louis Vuitton compact wallet that they have on their website. Next is this Coach card holder that I got off of Poshmark for about $100 Canadian, and I absolutely love it. This is actually originally a gift with purchase for an order over a certain amount, I believe, on the Coach website. Unfortunately though, I did miss out on that deal, and so I was really excited when I did see this pop up on Poshmark because it's actually really rare that you can find some of these items, especially this version. And if you do, oftentimes it's very overpriced or an amount I'm just not willing to spend on one of these items. So when I did find it for what I thought was reasonable for the item, I definitely was excited and I jumped on it and I picked it up, and it's just been the perfect card holder for me. This is also a lot like the very popular Louis Vuitton Kirigami set for the smallest size, and I have been tempted with that, but for now I'm really happy with this and I'm just glad that I managed to grab this. Next is actually a Coach clutch that I purchased from a local consignment store a number of years ago, and I believe this was about $45 Canadian, so a fantastic deal in my opinion. And the leather on this is just so amazing. It's just really good quality, and even on the inside, I find that the leather that they used on the inside is really substantial, more so than even more recent Coach bags that I've purchased. So this one is a really great find, and I just love all the detailings on this. I think it's just very intricate, really interesting and unique. It's honestly a really great piece to use for events or just as a grab and go for, if I'm going out for dinner or something like that. This has just been a really great piece to use. Next is the Louis Vuitton makeup pouch that I also purchased off of eBay from a Japanese seller. I do have a video on this, and it's a lot like the mini pochette. However, it's obviously much bigger. So as I stated in a previous video of mine, it's essentially like a mixture between the mini pochette and their toiletry pouch. So it kind of has the top of the toiletry pouch and then the bottom of the mini pochette, and it's a perfect in-between size for basically a mini bag. But what's even better is when I did purchase this, it came with its dust bag and also had the original strap and everything, so I was really happy with that. And I did manage to find this for $675 Canadian. I don't actually use this as a makeup pouch or a catch-all though. I actually use it as a crossbody bag, so I have purchased a long strap to use this for. And considering the price of even like the mini pochette nowadays, I think this is a really great option to go for. And for me at least, it's been the perfect small mini bag to just grab with me whenever I'm doing errands or just going out for something quickly. It's great. It fits everything that I need. And lastly is this bag that used to be actually very popular. This is the mini Parsley in the color Storm, and this is by Phillip Lim. I actually purchased this in either 2015 or 2016, and it was for $200. And I got it from a blogger sale, and it was just a fantastic piece to find. It was basically in brand new condition. It had all of its tags, it has dust bag and everything. So for me, for $200 at that time, I thought it was such a great deal. It's honestly such a great bag. I think it's really well made, and although I don't use it as much as I used to, I still gravitate to this now and then, and it's just been a fantastic bag to use. It's really great quality. I think it's really well constructed. Honestly, from the amount of wear that I've put this through, as well as, you know, the age of it, I guess, it's just worn fantastically, and I would really recommend. You can still get this on the market today. So this has just been such a great option. And I think in particular, this color, it was a really great neutral for me. It goes with a lot of different outfits. So I thought this was a fantastic find. Now, as an honorable mention, I'm actually just going to say the Longchamp Le Pliages. In general, I found that they were great options to try on the secondhand market, especially because they come with so many different colors and sizes. It was just a great way for me to try them out without spending a lot of money. I mean, to begin with, they're not too expensive, but I did manage to get some in fantastic condition for under $60. So even after I got good use out of them, I was able to sell them off to someone else to then put them to even more use. And in some cases, I broke even or even made some money. So I just thought that's a great option to consider if you haven't purchased a Longchamp or just want to buy more Longchamps. They're always great in the secondhand market. So those are some of my favorite secondhand purchases that I've made so far. I would love to hear about yours if you've made some really great scores. Just leave them down in the comment box. I would love to read about those. But otherwise, thank you as always for taking the time to watch my videos, especially for those that have subscribed. I really appreciate it. Aside from that, I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.